That HK2, that's our very first electric vehicle. My name is Chris Vicente, and I'm the Automotive and Motor Fleet Supervisor here at UNC Charlotte. We have a variety of power sources for our vehicles on campus. We have everything from E85 trucks to regular gasoline or diesel, which we have biodiesel on campus. We have about 115 electric vehicles on campus. We use Jim's global electric motor cars on campus because we are a contained campus within 1,000 acres, 12.5 miles of road. It makes absolutely no noise when you start the vehicle up. Jim is a global electric motor vehicle. It's made by Polaris. It's an AC drive, 48 volt, what they call an LSV or low speed electric vehicle, or neighborhood electric vehicle. It can be tagged anywhere that goes 35 miles an hour under city streets. We just think these Jims last. In about 2 years, we'd like to see 25% electric. We have 3 Leafs on campus.
What we have here is the new Chrysler Pacifica. It's a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, so it runs both on gasoline and on electricity. My name is Rick Sapienza. I'm with the North Carolina Clean Energy Technology Center. I lead the transportation program. I encourage folks to go test drive an electric vehicle or a plug-in electric hybrid.